Good day people, welcome to Full Throttle, where in today's video we are not going to reveal MX-83 nor the SC300. You might have some questions, we will give all the answers to all the questions, but in today's video we are doing something very exciting, and some of you might already know by reading the title of the video what are we revealing today. So let's just get into it. Welcome to Full Throttle guys, where today we will be revealing the iconic RB26 for the R32 Skyline. But before that, before we reveal it to you guys and show everything what we have, I would like to show you the SC300, the greatest reveal of the century. Under this is the SC300. I've been working on a video for a reveal, but before I do that, I was like, why not show you something more interesting, which is the RB26, and most likely next week I will be revealing the SC300. Yeah, I said that in the previous video as well, where I was answering all of your questions. You can check out that video here. The thing is, it's so hot that even if I go out for 2 minutes and try to talk to a camera, I sweat and it's really gross. So now finally it's like close to winter, so the weather is actually nice, so I'm able to record and put out more content. I have a lot of amazing content, but that will be for the videos to come. But let's talk about the RB26 today. Alright people, it's time to show you guys what do we have under these black covers. So let's start with the head, I think. Well, these parts, before I show everything to you, I've been trying to collect each and everything for more than like 3 years now, 2 or 3 years, I don't really remember. But before even I started the GTR, photo GTR concept, I was like, I need an RB26 for my photo Skyline. So this is the head. I bought the head, the block, the intake and the turbo separately, and of course the valve cover. We'll talk about everything in this video, don't you worry guys. So let's quickly, let me just open this. Yeah, I've been covering it the whole time. So this is the iconic RB26 head, and let me, okay, sorry about that guys. Let's quickly, oh yeah, so this is the RB26 block. Everything is OEM, no HKS cams or anything, but that won't be the case. The reason I did not buy the whole engine and I bought it in separate parts like block and head and intake and turbo, so I can at least put some big intakes, forged pistons, we can modify it, and that will be easier for me as well. So of course we'll be going with bigger cams. I'm in the middle of going for HKS or Kelford cams. I'm not sure, I'm still doing my research. We'll be changing, mostly I'll be changing everything in this head, the cams, the retainers, the valve, the springs, almost everything. It will be fully built head. Block, I'm not sure, maybe just forged pistons and rods. I don't know, maybe a stroker kit. Let's see how it goes. And the next thing is the intake. It's an OEM intake. I think these are better in my opinion. Greedy ones are also good, but I like the OEM look. I don't want my engine bay to, you know, stand out, I guess. I'm not sure, but I like the OEM one. I have the injectors and all the stuff here. Let me just quickly open it for you guys so you guys can see. These are the things. You guys should, oh sorry guys, I'm really sweating. So you guys should subscribe, because there is hell a lot of content coming your ways. I'll be building a whole RB26 and you guys can enjoy that as well. This is, I don't know what is that, but These are the injectors, OEM injectors, but I might go with bigger injectors, 100, 1000, 1100 cc, I'm not sure. Fuel rail, everything, the whole intake kit is here. I bought it this way. And the best thing which I have is this, the turbo. This is the whole kit. Let me just quickly remove this. And this is, why is it stuck? Oh yeah. And this is not any turbo, guys. This is a Nismo turbo. I was really lucky enough to find a Nismo turbo. I don't know if this works perfectly. We will of course clean everything. But I have a question for you guys. Do you want me to do the OEM twin turbos with the greedy inlet piping kit? Is it called? I'm not sure. I'll just post it here. Should we do that, or should we go twin top mount, or should we do a big single? Please comment down below what should we do, because I am still in the middle of, should I go twin top mount, twin OEM, or should we go big single? But these are Nismo turbos. These are, from what I have heard and what I have read on the internet, these are really good, and it spins really nice as well. If you guys can see here, spins really nice. We will be cleaning it. I remember I bought these, I think, a year and a half ago, so it was just sitting here. This is the big surprise which I was talking about, guys. I'm not gonna build the RB2020. You can get a decent amount of horsepower from that, but the thing is, what's the point of making a 4-door GTR if you don't even have an RB26? Can we call a 4-door Skyline a GTR without having an RB26 engine? I don't think we can. So that is the reason I'm going full throttle. So the next thing is valve covers. The RB26 valve covers. I was just waiting for this spot, by the way. That is the reason I could not reveal the engine earlier, and I've got this yesterday, and I was like, let's reveal the big surprise to you guys. This is the other valve cover. I will tell you one more thing about these valve covers. Ooh, it's so hot, bro. By this engine plate ornament, you guys already know which valve cover is this. And if you look at this, this is metal, not plastic. The valve cover which comes in RB26, which is in R32, this is plastic, and this cover comes in plastic, and this is metal. So which means this is of an R34 GTR. My friend was kind enough to hook me up with this, and I've got it in a really cheap price. We'll talk about price in a different video once I take it to the workshop to add big cams and everything. I'll tell you guys how much did I buy everything for. So this is the big surprise, guys, which I was talking about, and I'm super stoked. You guys should subscribe, because you guys don't want to miss the RB26. This is the JDM Holy Grail, or whatever you want to call it. It's here. We have an RB26 for the 4-door GTR. Last thing is the block, and yeah, this is the shitty downpipe, which I don't know. I don't think I will ever use this. If you see, the welds on this is so bad that it's damaged from here as well. And look at this. I don't think I'm ever gonna use it. I might just give it away, but that's for later. I'm not gonna use this. I've got it with the turbos. The guy gave it to me. He was like, I have an downpipe as well, so if you want it, you can take it. So we got this, but I'm gonna use a Tomei one, I guess, because I might have a titanium exhaust on the way for the R32 Skyline. Stay tuned for that, alright? Let's quickly show you the block. Sorry, I could not take the block, the engine block there because it's really heavy. And let's start. Okay. Yeah, the first thing which I bought for the RB26, I just remembered, was this block, by the way. I did not have the head, I did not have valve covers, I did not have the intake, I did not have the turbo. I just took the risk and it was worth it. So if you need my advice, take risks, guys. It's worth it. In the end, it will be worth it. You won't have any regrets. So if we see here, this is a normal block, normal RB26 block. How I can say that is because it has 05U in it. But this is the block, you have seen it. I'll be talking about what's the difference, how I know this is a normal OEM block, not any other block. So the thing is, if you have a block, if you have an RB26 and in the engine block, if it's written 05U, what happens is that's an OEM normal block, nothing crazy. But if you have 24U, that's an N1 block, and you are really lucky to have it. But if you are extra lucky, there will be triple RRR, which means it's a Nismo GT block. Well, in my case, I wasn't lucky enough, but I was lucky to have the RB26 block with me. This is a normal block, nothing crazy in it. But I don't really care if it's Nismo GT block or N1 block. As long as it's an RB26, I'm really happy, because if you see the prices today in UAE, in Dubai, these engines sell for 35,000, 40,000 dirhams. And trust me, I have not even paid half as too much as well. Quarter maybe? I'll make a different video how much did I spend, but I got really lucky. I'm grateful and I'm really super happy. You guys, let me know what do you think, because this was the big surprise for the 4-door GTR. Now I can, not officially, because once the RB26 is inside the engine bay of the 4-door Skyline, I can officially call it a 4-door GTR, and I cannot be more happy than this. It's super stoked. The plan with the engine, as I said earlier, will be going for forged pistons and rods, maybe stroker kit, I don't know. And the head will remove everything, will add different cams, HKS or Kelford cams. Don't want to go for Tomei cams, because 2 or 3 of my friends have an RB26 with Tomei cams. They are like, the response is not that great. No offense to Tomei, they make amazing products, but my friends, they have it, and from their experience, I don't want to take that risk. So HKS or Kelford, I'm not sure. And for the turbo, please do let me know what should I do, because I'm confused. I have no idea. What should I do? Should I go with the Nismo turbos? Those will also give me good horsepower. So I've already ordered forged pistons and rods, retainers, springs and valves, but cams, as I said, I'm still thinking about it. You guys can let me know if you guys have an RB26 and which cam do you use. I would really appreciate it. Let me know whatever your experience is. But we will be taking the head and the RB26 block to the workshop in 1 or 2 weeks, and we will start the process. And do let me know if you want me to film everything. We're taking it to the workshop, what they do, how they install it, because I don't want to take a risk. I can do that, but I really don't want to take a risk, because this costs a fortune nowadays. So I don't want to mess things up. I want to give it to the professionals who does it right. So we'll be giving it to them. And if you guys want me to make a video on how they do it, I have no problem. I'll be more than happy to show you the whole process and the HP goal. I think that's better for the other video, because let me build the engine first, install it, and of course we are going to tune it. Anyways people, this is the surprise which I was talking about. I hope you guys are stoked, because I'm super stoked. I'm super happy because I'll be having an RB26 in my photo Skyline, and you guys get to see it, and I'll take you guys through the whole process. It will be an amazing ride. You guys should join me and subscribe. But the last thing which I want to talk about is the Toyota Crown. I haven't posted up it for sale, but it is for sale if any one of you are interested. This is my Instagram. It will be somewhere here. Just hit me up and I will tell you how much I am going to sell it for. As I said, I have the SC300 there. If you can show them the SC300, the iconic SC300, the greatest reveal of the century. I want to work on the R32 Skyline. I want to work on the MX-83, and of course my Civic, which is parked outside. It is sitting outside and collecting dust. Might as well do something with it, because I really want to blow up a rod to the moon. Super stoked about it as well, and install a new motor which I already have. And this is, as I said, it is up for sale. If any one of you are interested, hit me up and we will talk about it. Anyways, I think that's gonna do it for today's video, because I'm really sweating and it is gross. I really want to take a shower. That's gonna do it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you guys are stoked about the RB26 for my love, my baby R32 Skyline, and it is getting closer and closer to becoming a photo GTR, and I cannot be more happy than this. I'm super stoked. And do let me know if I should go single, twin top mount, or the Nismo turbos will be fine. Do let me know in the comment down below, or hit me up on my Instagram. I do reply to all the messages, and I read all the messages, guys, and I read all the comments. So you guys can comment or hit me up on my Instagram. And guys, if you like this type of content, if you like Full Throttle, do hit that subscribe button, turn on those notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.